This is being filmed on Saturday, the 1st of November 2025 on a standard mobile phone. I can assure you there are no light sensors in this kitchen. What you're seeing is happening at this moment in time. I've done 2 videos so far. One showing possibly the reflection of Jesus Christ in my kitchen, and also the second one about the light above me being the eternal light, connection to the covenant of the Ark. Is there a connection? Is it a gateway to God? Don't know. But I'm gonna show you something which will possibly blow everybody's minds and get everybody thinking now. Hey Google, tell me about the religious eternal light.
On the website nps.gov, they say, in the synagogue, the lamp, ornamented with 4 cherub heads, served as an eternal light, or Ner Tamid, guarding the Ark which housed the Torah scrolls, the Old Testament of the Bible. It represented God's eternal presence and covenant with the Jewish people.
So that is information from the Google. Also, you can see a little green orb in front of me. I bought this, just a little symbol of my love to God and to Jesus. But now, a witness has seen this happen. It's a little symbol of the covenant of the Ark. It's going to take a lot out of me, believe you me. If there was a light sensor in the room, it wouldn't be doing this. It wouldn't be doing this on the Ark. I did ask for this Ark to be blessed today. It's only a little symbol. Here we go. Whoa, the power running through it. Oh. Can only tolerate so much, then I'll have to stop. But the power running through this is unbelievable. But I've been asked to do this because I am basically doing the work of Jesus Christ. Basically, it's wanting some hard-hitting videos doing. All he wants is to be peace on earth, and to show that he is here, and to restore faith in people. The power it's just incredible what's going on here now. I have to stop in a minute because even I can't tolerate this for too much longer. This is just a little symbol of the Ark. Oh God. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop. Yeah, that's enough. I do apologise to those watching it. It is very hard hitting and hard to comprehend what's going on. But oh. It's like they're not wanting me to let go at the moment, because I want everybody to see what's happening with this little symbol of the ark. Yeah, I'll have to stop. I'll have to stop. I need to stop. In the name of the Lord, I need to stop. Amen. Whoa.